One of the best ginabot that I've ever tasted in Cebu City is from Cafe Laguna restaurant. Ginabot or chicharron bulaklak is fried intestines. You can find this anywhere in Cebu, from Punko to different carinderias to different restaurants. Their ginabot is super crispy and super crunchy because it's thinly sliced. And when you bite into it, you can actually hear the crunch. Here's a sample. The second reason why I love Cafe Laguna's ginabot or chicharron bulaklak is because of no aftertaste. It tastes very clean, right? And I know that they don't use old cooking oil or burnt cooking oil. The third reason why I love their ginabot is that they don't use flour or any extender